How to make a YouTube short on CapCut PC. So if you want to make a YouTube short on your CapCut PC, then first open up your CapCut. You will have this kind of interface. Go for create project. And once you open your CapCut, now you can simply go for import. Click on import. And then you can simply choose any video that you would like. Once you've chosen your video, now what you need to do is simply drag that video to the bottom, drag material here. Once you've dragged, now you can simply click on that material or click on that video, and here you will have your video, right? So if you want to make this video as a YouTube short, then what you need to do is you need to simply go for this player option, which is on the middle, right? So once you're here on the player, you can simply go for the ratio, which is on the bottom. Click on the ratio, and for the YouTube shorts, the ratio is 6:16. Click on that and it will take you to the YouTube shorts ratio. So now you can simply expand that, or you can crop your video. And once you've expanded your video, now you can simply select which part of the video that you would like to show for the audience. So for example, I'll be choosing this part. So here you can simply show this kind of part. So if you want to upload something on YouTube Studio or YouTube Shorts, then you need to simply choose a ratio of 9:16, and you can simply go for export, which is on the upper right. So you need to make some changes, or if you want to edit something, then you will have all of these options right here. You can choose the stickers, effects, transitions, captions, filters, or you can do some adjustments and everything. And once you've edited your video, make sure that your ratio is 9:16, and then go for export, which is on the upper right. And once you click on export, you will have this kind of interface. And now you can simply click on export. And once you click on export, your video will be exported and saved in your laptop or your desktop. So that's it. That's how you can make a YouTube short on CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.